Just-in-time, JIT. Concept and efficiency impact. Just-in-time, JIT, is a production and inventory control philosophy focused on producing or procuring items only as they are needed. Its central goal is to eliminate waste across the production process by synchronizing demand with supply. The impact of JIT on efficiency is profound. It streamlines workflows, reduces waiting times, and fosters a lean operational environment. JIT requires cross-functional coordination among suppliers, production units, and logistics to ensure smooth operations with minimal delays. Efficiency is enhanced by removing excess inventory and encouraging real-time responsiveness to market demands. However, JIT also heightens vulnerability to disruptions, as it relies heavily on consistent quality and punctual deliveries. When well implemented, it transforms manufacturing from a push-based to a pull-based system, ensuring that every process step adds value to the final output while reducing idle capacity and waste. Impact on inventory and costs. JIT drastically reduces inventory levels by aligning production schedules closely with demand forecasts. Inventory holding costs, including storage, insurance, and obsolescence, are significantly minimized. This approach not only reduces working capital requirements but also exposes inefficiencies hidden in traditional stockpiling practices. By decreasing buffer stock, organizations are compelled to maintain superior quality control and supplier reliability. Costs related to warehousing, excess production, and material handling decline sharply, leading to leaner operations and improved cash flow. However, the short-term transition costs, such as training, system upgrades, and supplier coordination, can be high. Over time, the cumulative cost benefits of JIT are realized through the consistent elimination of non-value-adding activities, reduced waste, and improved resource utilization, ultimately lowering the total cost of ownership and enhancing competitiveness. Relationship between JIT and quality. The interdependence of JIT and total quality management (TQM) is critical, as JIT cannot function effectively without consistent quality performance. Since inventories act as buffers against defects, a JIT environment demands defect-free production and continuous process reliability. Quality assurance thus becomes preventive rather than corrective, with a focus on source inspection and error-proofing. Supplier quality must be rigorously maintained to avoid production halts. TQM complements JIT by embedding a culture of zero defects and continuous improvement, ensuring that each component received or produced meets exact specifications. The integration of TQM within JIT systems leads to fewer reworks, smoother production flows, and stronger customer satisfaction. Both philosophies converge on the principle of building quality into the process rather than inspecting it in at the end. Benefits and risks. The benefits of JIT include reduced working capital, shorter production lead times, and improved responsiveness to customer demand. Organizations adopting JIT typically experience lower storage costs, higher quality consistency, and improved labor productivity through standardized workflows. JIT also enhances flexibility by enabling smaller, more frequent production runs that adapt quickly to changes in demand. However, the risks are equally significant. Any disruption in supply chains, due to transportation delays or quality failures, can halt production entirely. Furthermore, JIT requires robust information systems, supplier integration, and a reliable logistics network. To mitigate risks, organizations often use hybrid models combining lean buffers with JIT scheduling. Successful JIT implementation depends on cultural alignment, top management commitment, and continuous monitoring of process stability. Long-term strategic implications. Strategically, JIT shifts organizational focus from resource optimization to flow optimization. Instead of maximizing equipment utilization, the goal becomes minimizing throughput time and non-value-adding activities. This transition aligns with modern lean manufacturing principles and sustainability objectives, as reduced inventories lead to lower waste and energy consumption. Over time, JIT enhances organizational agility, allowing quicker adaptation to market fluctuations and product changes. The strategic emphasis on supplier partnerships fosters innovation and co-development. JIT's influence extends beyond manufacturing into services and logistics, where responsiveness and reliability are competitive differentiators. Ultimately, JIT supports a strategic cost advantage by embedding efficiency and quality within every operational layer. Comparison to other improvement techniques. Compared to total quality management, TQM, Kaizen, and process reengineering, JIT focuses primarily on timing and flow rather than structure or cultural change. While TQM seeks to embed quality consciousness across all processes, JIT concentrates on synchronization and waste reduction. Kaizen complements JIT by ensuring incremental improvements, while process reengineering differs by advocating radical process redesign. JIT's strength lies in its operational immediacy. It delivers tangible cost and time savings once supply chains are optimized. However, unlike reengineering, which demands transformation, or Kaizen, which encourages gradual evolution, JIT requires precision and discipline in execution. When integrated with TQM and Kaizen, JIT achieves maximum effectiveness, forming part of a holistic lean strategy for cost leadership and efficiency.